Hi, I'm Mrs. Ober from the Guidance Department here at Triton, and I'm going to step you through the course selection process in ASPEN. In order for you to enter and review your courses for next year, you will need to log into the ASPEN portal. If you have any issues in logging into the portal, you can come and see your guidance counselor. In order to log into the portal, the first thing that you're going to do is go to the trsd.net website. Once you are there, you're going to click on ASPEN Login, and you will log in as a student using your student ID and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see some announcements that will review the upcoming course selection process. You will also see a section called Resources. It is really important that you go and review these resources. If you click on the Course Registration Resources folder, you'll see some documents that will be available for you to download and review. You'll see the ASPEN Student Request Directions, the course selection PowerPoint presentation that was given at the student assemblies, the program of studies for next year, which lists all of next year's courses. And for seniors only, this is where you'll be able to download the PE waiver, if that applies to you. Once you've reviewed these resources, you'll click on the My Info tab. And then on the left, you can click Requests. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you're in entry mode. If you don't see this screen that has instructions and primary requests, just go up to this section at the top and make sure that you're in entry mode. Next, you're going to want to review the instructions that are in this box. The instructions that are here are class specific. So this example I have up here is for a sophomore, and it will outline the courses that a student will need to take in order to be in the sophomore class. It will also outline the number of credits that the student needs to be enrolled in. At the bottom, it will also list all of the graduation requirements, again, just to refer back to. So the next piece is that you will go ahead and review your primary requests. Each subject area is included in the list, and you will see the courses that teachers have already recommended for you here. If you want to review it, you can click here as well. But for any core subject that a teacher has recommended for you, their recommendation will be listed here, and the box will be grayed out. If you disagree with a core course that a teacher has recommended for you, you will need to have your parent or guardian contact that teacher directly to have a discussion. For most students, what you'll be doing is just reviewing what your teachers have recommended for you in each subject area. And then you can select any missing courses or courses that you would like to add. If you select Fine and Practical Arts, you'll have a pop-up box that will list all the different courses that are available for you to select. There are also instructions for each subject area that will again review what you are required to take. For example, in Fine and Practical Arts, it will remind you that students must take 2 credits of Fine and Practical Arts during their high school career in order to meet graduation requirements. In some cases, there may be a number of pages of courses. So to review all of your options, you can click the arrow button. Or you can also use the drop-down menu and find the course number that you want. Once you have found the courses that you're interested in adding to your schedule, you'll just check the box next to them and click OK. And then they'll show up down here. For upperclassmen, if you want to take an additional, say, science or history course, you would go to that particular subject to select it. So say, for example, your teachers recommended you for marine biology, but you'd also like to take environmental science. You can select it here. The next piece that you'll want to review is physical education. For incoming freshmen and sophomores, this will already be selected for you. For freshmen, you'll have adventure education, and for sophomores, you'll have intro to fitness. For upperclassmen, for next year's juniors and seniors, you will be able to select your physical education courses. Between junior and senior year, students are required to have 3 semesters of physical education. So as a junior, you can select either 1 or 2 semesters of physical education, and then senior year, you will need to take whatever is left. So you would select what courses you'd like to take. Perhaps you'd like to take first semester team sports and second semester team sports, and click OK. For next year's seniors, if you are planning to apply for a physical education waiver because you participate in sports, you will still need to select the PE courses you would like to take if the waiver is not granted. And then please indicate here that you will apply for a PE waiver. The PE waiver itself is available back on the main page in the student portal and is also available in the athletic office and the guidance office. And then again, click OK. The next piece that you're going to need to do is put in alternate requests. If there is a schedule conflict, this is what your counselor will refer back to if we are unable to schedule one of your primary requests. To do so, just click Select, and you can find the course that you would like to have as an alternate. Once you're in alternate requests, you're going to select the course that you would like to have as an alternate. You also will want to scroll over and give the alternate courses a priority. So if you were to put in 2 courses that would be alternates for you, you would put in alternate 1 and alternate 2, and then click OK. This basically just gives a rank order to your alternate courses. Once you have alternates selected and you reviewed all of your primary requests, you can then leave notes for your guidance counselor. This is where you could put any questions that you have about the courses that you've selected, or just any notes that we might need to refer to in the scheduling process. Lastly, you'll want to review the number of credits that you've signed up for. If you go up to the top, it will tell you that you currently are signed up for 6.5 credits. Also refer to the instructions to see how many you're required to be enrolled in. In this case, a sophomore is required to have 6.5 credits. They are signed up for 6.5 credits, so they are all set. If you try to click Post and you do not have enough credits, it won't let you complete the process. Once you've reviewed everything, you can go ahead and click Post. This will alert your guidance counselor that they can now review your course selections for next year, and they can contact you if there are any questions. After your counselor has reviewed your courses, we will be distributing a course verification sheet that will be sent home, and we will need that signed and returned to our office. The schedule is built based on student requests. Schedules will be posted in the ASPEN portal in early August. So that is the course selection process in ASPEN. If you have any further questions, please stop by the guidance office to see your guidance counselor. Thank you.